Focus, focus, focus on his face. Then we can fly. Oh no! You have to throw him again. He was in the shot that time. Pretty cool. Thumbs up. I think that has to be a blooper. Gotta film his house too. Ooh. That is rude. We are just filming his house.
Where did it go?
So your favorite airplane is not cafe.
Or streamer.
That is cool.
Well.
Just rip it. Yes.
Throw it at me.
I will rip it too.
Still work on its foot. Oh no! His tail!
Oh no! Oh
Somehow it still works even though it's ripped. It's hard to
no! We'll rip it more.
Oh, I don't have the stapler. I'll go get it.
Oh no! Go get the stapler. Go get the stapler.
There we go. But it has to be green. Everyone else catch. Catch. You're supposed to catch it. Stop playing around. We gotta get this done. That was perfect. That was right through.
This is gonna be a whole YouTube video. It's Nye The Fire Guy, the story.
Bouncer!
Okay. Story recording. Stretches.
You can have like the final countdown on it, like. Oh.
Okay.
Split.
Now he's in his house.
He's prepared.
Prepared. Okay.
Prepared.
Now he goes. Oh, what is that?
Good thing about gravity is we'll just have to wait.
Do you videotape this? Yes. He's adoring fans.
How's he doing?
You smell like chocolate. Huh? You smell like chocolate.
Or as of now, no more throwing your airplane until
On his way to the... Is the gator in here?
Other room.
He's in the other room.
We are busy. He's ready.
Oh, whoa.
Wow, wow.
You couldn't go outside.
First and last.
You have like captions under everything. Like, and now he's preparing to make a special. Now.
Competitor.
He's going out to special.
There's somewhere. We gotta go in our special area. Where's our tree? Which one was our tree?
When did we have a tree?
We were like, this is our tree.
Oh, you ran away!
He's ready. Film.
Competitors. He's going to intense battle. Go, here. Throw my gum.
Smelly tree, smelly tree.
Wait, yeah. Love these. Wait, record the gym kid bitch. Ew.
Ew. Yes.
It's important blooper footage.
Important.
Are you serious right now? Is that your plane?
Yes.
He is Bird Nye.
The science.
Fire Guy.
Oh.
Fire Guy. He's a
I
phoenix.
don't even know when I came up with the name.
Look at Georgia.
Moo the science miss? We're gonna be on Moo. Yes! Yeah, Moo Moo!
Maybe.
I don't cut that.
We're really better to be on bloopers.
We can put them in the bloopers. It's okay.
Pops, people. Pops.
What? You want to be in the bloopers?
What do you have to say to Moo Moo? Good luck.
He's not racing.
He doesn't need luck.
Oh, but I'm talking about this
Oh.
Oh, okay. He doesn't need luck either. He's gonna win.
Yes.
You get style points.
I'm already getting with the science moves though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now we have to add them to the blooper. Well, Tall Guy's already in the bloopers.
And her. No, I don't think it was Tall Guy. I think it was Brett.
Oh.
Yeah, Brett is no.
No, Brett's not Tall
It was
Guy.
the blonde. It was the blonde.
He died. He's dead.
Resurrect him. See, look at his magic.
Wait, can I hold them?
Powers of living.
Okay, he has to go back in his house now. He doesn't want to get worn out.
Is that
before
like his little transportation?
No, it's his house. It's a flower. Because we're origami masters.
Masters. I don't know.
Cole's not
Jim, maybe?
non-mother. Again. Stay in your house. What about us? What about us? Let's go.
I thought we got a
Where are we staying?
He said everybody else stay right here.
So I'm staying right here.
No airplane practice emotions.
Record them. Be like,
The not winners.
back here. Who in the shade? It's too hot. Go to the Y and go swimming.
Swimming.
He likes swimming. You may not think he likes swimming because he's a phoenix. But he really
Made
does.
out of paper. Record the Y. That's
He really
the Y.
does. We're gonna sit down.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stand right in front of you.
Oh, we're recording. Oh no!
Ah!
You can rest.
Resting. You want to be in it? You should be in it.
Oh, take a selfie.
Okay.
Did you guys make a plane?
Yes.
Okay, come back. The non-believer.
No, like a girl.
That's a non-believer.
Shun the non-believer. Shush.
See, you can't even tell that it does not belong to the wilderness.
He blends into. So does his house.
Oh, not him. I was saying the house because it's a flower.
House picture for Instagram. Because you died. Ow.
Record yourself die.
Died.
Oh, it's so sunny.
Not over here, see? Perfect.
Don't do that.
See, take pictures of the trees.
Okay. I'm taking a picture of like right here where it's like the sun's going through it. Are you still recording? Yeah. Go.
She lost her headband. This is a great tragedy. Something's happening. Something's happening. It's not very important though.
Cares about them.
Everyone cares about Bird Nye the Fire Guy. Start recording again.
No, it's kind of funny. Like I was like batting last night because I guess they were doing it, but like Ashanti uses my glove for her softball practice, and so I just batted in, I guess. And like it's like, shut up.
You
It doesn't hurt. Why do you fall on the ground? Just lay there and cry.
Okay.
Look, make sure you don't have stuff on my back.
I don't really care.
Oh man. Well, no, they're not. They're women.
Not very dangerous.
Danger.
What is Bird Nye the Fire Guy get to go?
What is what?
Where's this get to go?
You guys can... Good question. We definitely should probably videotape him going.
Oh, we did it the whole time. It's an experience.
Ah, nice. We will let you guys go.
Yeah, the one with the gray shorts and the
Full website.
Yeah, the one that just went like this.
Okay.
You know the one?
Oh, that's what he's ready.
He's ready.
He has trained his whole life for this. He needs to do some final stretches. Oh no. Crisis! Crisis!
Oh no!
Hold us home.
House.
Do some final stretching. Some warm-ups.
Bird Nye the Fire Guy, the experience. Unedited, uncut movie.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just for you two.
Stretches. What is wrong with taters? Just warm-ups. What other stretches can you do? Things. His thing is tie up. No food.
Call 15 feet when I got 27.
How do we know how high it is?
Research.
I don't know.
Guessing.
Probably.
Okay, stop.
This is going to be good. Tails.
We're on the hallway.
Alright. Trained his whole life for this.
Whole life.
Just a child. But can the underdog pull through and beat all these mean airplanes?
Flamers, green airplane. Focus.
And all the gym people.
You Jim. He's leaving.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, he's all done.